Idon, I'm very, very excited to have you at the interview pod today, where we're going to be talking about all things Monday AI. Before we really dive into all of the questions, I really want to pass the mic over to you to see if you would be willing to introduce yourselves and tell everybody who you are and what you do as part of the Monday AI team.
Sure, Ido, start.
Okay, so my name is Ido. I'm the data scientist of the AI team.
He's
Um,
the smart guy.
yeah, this is what they say. So I basically joined 1 year ago when the team was officially established. We started really small. Now we are starting to be real big. Super exciting.
Oh,
Yeah, and my name is Fridman, working for Monday in the last 2 years, and I'm leading the product of Monday AI. Super excited and looking forward for the future.
I have two AI superstars here. Before we dive into really the specifics on the features and how our customers are really integrating Monday AI into their workflows, can you describe Monday AI in your own words for the people who don't know? What can we tell them about Monday AI?
Yes, I think like if I need to give like one sentence, what we are trying to do with Monday AI is really to help everyone to use AI in a super easy way to democratize AI, like to do what Monday did for software and do it for AI, and not allow it only for techie people, and to give everyone the power to benefit from AI. This is what we are looking for every day and every feature we are developing.
Wow, that's amazing. And what do you think excites you the most about this tool?
So I think, Nido, please add after my thoughts. I really think that it can change the way people are working. And we are working all day in different teams, in different workflows. And we believe that with good implementation of AI, people can be more efficient. We don't want to replace people. We don't want to replace humans. We want to empower them. We want them to be the better version of themselves and help them to focus on what's important for them to do. Like I'm a product manager, I want to focus on to do the product work, not to do the overhead and the repetitive tasks that I'm doing every day. And I really believe that AI will give us those powers. So I'm super excited about it.
Amazing.
Yeah, I will
Bill?
add it. I think what's very special about what we are doing that we're putting the user first. We always think about user experience, and beside a lot of the work that we are doing in the data science and evaluating our models and the features and guarantee a certain level of confidence when we release every feature, we put a lot of efforts and thinking about the user experience, and I think this is what enables us to bring the AI to the non-tech users, right? Most of the Monday users are not tech savvy. They are not know how to go to ChatGPT and write their own prompts and integrate third-party tools. This is our mission to enable them to do that with no code, with no previous tech knowledge, and I think it's something that is really, really makes us special.
The both of you really talk about focusing on the user experience and making sure that it's AI is simplified for them. Can you share any specific kind of use cases of how AI can be used in the everyday work scenario?
Sure. So I think like it can be really used every day in every team, and like just starting, from finance teams, which are not the very tech savvy people. I love you, finance teams, and really also like help our finance team in Monday to just automatically assign people from their team to do to handle requests that they need to do for us like as employees, and allow them to focus on their finance work, and just reduce the time they need to review every ticket, understand who needs to handle it, and now they can do it automatically with AI.
We basically build many templates that enables different teams to have a quick start and start implement their AI workflow. It can be IT ticketing, it can be creative teams, it can be HR team, recruitment team, right?
Wow.
So all those are different use cases that basically uses the same core functionalities, our AI blocks. And I think that if you find yourself as the question, where can I use AI? You should think about the places in your workday, in your day-to-day that are repetitive, that are required a lot of cognitive effort, and the AI can do the heavy lifting, especially when it comes to text. This is where generative AI comes into action and enable us to do the heavy lifting, the heavy processing of this huge text, summarize it, getting the important points for you to focus on your job, like Or mentioned, and not doing all those repetitive tasks all day long, every day.
I really love what you said, Ido, because it's really an affirmation of what you were saying in the very beginning of simplifying it. And you're sharing templates that you've created. You're sort of like thinking ahead, faster, fast to execution, right? You don't want people to kind of be playing around and trying to figure it out. You're already giving them templates on how to do that. Talk to me about kind of the feedback that you're getting from customers. I'm sure you're getting a lot since the the birth of Monday AI. How has the community from how has the feedback from the community really impacted sort of the journey of Monday AI so far?
Yeah, so I will start with just had yesterday our AI session here in Elevate in London, and people were super passionate and super excited about the opportunity to implement AI. And I can share that the feedback that we are hearing from clients, from our community, from users, is super helpful for us to shape the product. I can share that even one of the latest features that we introduced, which is the ability to extract information with AI, for example, from PDF or from your text columns, is based on feedback from community.
Really?
We learned that this is a very day-to-day use case from clients. We implemented it and we saw amazing feedback. So really looking forward to hear more feedbacks and help you to spread the magic with Monday AI.
Amazing. How do you kind of see? I mean, if we take a step back, AI is a real buzzword in the tech industry right now. So I'm very curious to kind of hear the both of you share what I guess how you see Monday AI contributing to this broader AI landscape that we have right now. It's a very much a trending topic.
I think that maybe connecting to what I said before, I think since we are putting a lot of effort thinking about the user, and not only that about the technology, right? We are user driven. We look for what our user needs, and then we going back and ask ourselves, okay, what kind of technology can solve that, right? So since we are very user oriented, I think that we are kind of shaping the way you need to implement AI in platform in SaaS products, right? A lot of companies went straight to implementing chatbots and chat interface, and this is exactly what we not did, right? We started, okay, let's not do that. Let's look for the places where we can actually give value, right, and package this as a feature. So we start by just investigating, asking customers what they're looking for, looking on what users are doing in our platform, and then we start going with the first features. And it's just getting bigger and bigger because we are looking on what our users doing with AI, and then we are understanding what we need to implement next.
So you're not even just simplifying AI, you're humanizing AI.
Exactly. People don't want to speak with machines. People want to get input like the way they are working. If they have like a status in Monday, they
Yeah.
want to understand it in their workflow. They don't want ChatGPT is amazing. We all love it, but we don't want just to chat with chatbots. And this is like I think the way we bring like the Monday way
Yeah.
to the space of AI and really trying to connect the user and human with the machine.
Monday AI has grown so much over the last few years, and I'm sure it will continue to grow and evolve over the next. Can you just give us a sneak peek into what our users, our community, our customers, the wider Monday landscape can really expect from where Monday AI will go?
Yeah, so it will be really sneak peek because like we can speak about it for hours. But I would say like as you all know, we introduced our AI blocks, which are the no-code AI actions in our board columns and automations, and expect to see more actions. Expect to see more capabilities within it that will help you to automate your workflow and get like more efficient workflows. Expect to see the AI blocks in more places in our platform. Expect to see them in Monday workflows. Expect to see them in Monday docs and more places. Like stay tuned. So this is only about AI blocks, and I would say, and we shared it yesterday with the audience here in London. that we have also dedicated plans for each one of our WorkOS product. So for work management, we're going to have specific AI-based capabilities that will bring work management, the better version of work management. And we will do it for each one of our products. So a lot of things.
Amazing. And my last question for the both of you is what what really motivates the entire AI team to continue pushing the boundaries of AI in the workplace? I know we speak a lot about humanizing it, simplifying it, but you're also at the same time kind of keeping up with all of the different movements of generally AI in the tech space. So, what truly motivates the team to continue pushing the boundaries here?
So I said that the number one thing that pushing us is bringing value to our users. And it's not a cliche. We actually have boards and dashboards that monitor those KPIs, and we investigate a lot of effort to find those true metrics that actually reflect the value that we are bringing to users. And this is how we start our day. We're looking on the dashboard, see the metrics goes up, and celebrating when we need to celebrate, and pushing harder when we find that we need to improve. And I think this is the number one growing engine that we have in our team.
Yeah, I will add more. I totally agree, but I need to say something else, but just not repeat Ido. I would say that we really see AI as a huge trend, like in our period of life.
Yeah.
Same thing like we saw with cloud and other in internet, like years ago. And we are so passionate to see where it's going and
Yeah.
to see like how Monday can lead this trend and to connect everything together. It's amazing. Like we don't have such thing every day.
It's like there's no ceiling. It's just like continuing to grow and grow and grow. Like the possibilities are
Yeah,
so endless.
exactly. Like inventing every day. Things are changing so rapidly. The technology is evolving and allow new things, and we need to keep innovate.
Ido and O, thank you so much for joining me here. I've had such a great time talking about all things Monday AI, and I'm very excited to see how it evolves and how it continues to grow.
Thank
you
you,
both.
Natasha. It was great to speak with you.